Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to find your Minecraft Bedrock folder. To start, open Minecraft. Here, click on Play and then click on Create New. After that, click on Create New World. After this, define the type of world to create. Set a name. When you do this, click Create. You can wait for the world to be created. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you are playing, press the escape key, click save and quit. After this, in the world you created, click on the pencil. Now at the bottom, click on Export World. By default, it will have the name of the world. Click on Export. Wait for the process to come to an end. Then in the search box, enter %, local app data, %, click on File folder. Here in Explorer, open the Packages folder, then open the Minecraft folder. After this, go to the Local State folder and then open the Games folder. Finally, in the Mojang folder, you can access the Minecraft Worlds folder. Here, you will have access to the files of the worlds created in Minecraft. Now, you are going to copy the world folder, and you can paste it on the desktop. Remember to assign a name that allows you to remember that it is the backup for your Minecraft world. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.